Breaking news, Nigerians. Finally, the Supreme Court on Friday paved the way for the swearing-in of the President-elect Asiwaju Bola Ahmed Tinubu of the ruling All Progressive Congress (APC) on Monday, May 29. The appeals court, in a unanimous decision by a 5-member panel, dismissed as lacking in merit an appeal the opposition People's Democratic Party (PDP) filed to query Tinubu's eligibility to contest the presidential election that held on February 25th. It held that the appeal marked SC/CV/501/2023 was brought before it in bad faith, stressing that the PDP, whose candidate Alhaji Atiku Abubakar came second in the presidential contest, was bereft of the Lukot standee legal right to challenge a nomination that was made by another political party. PDP had, in its appeal, prayed the court to void Tinubu's candidacy, allegedly that the Vice President-elect Senator Kasim Shettima had, prior to the 2023 general elections, allowed himself to be nominated for more than one constituency. It told the court that Shettima was nominated twice, but for the Borno Central senatorial seat and for the vice presidential position. PDP maintained that Shettima's dual nomination was in gross violation of provisions of Selections 29, 1 in brackets 33, 35, and 84, 1 and 2 of the Electoral Act 2022 as amended. Consequently, aside from urging the court to invalidate Tinubu and Shettima's candidature, the appellates further applied for an order to compel the Independent National Electoral Commission (INEC) to expunge their names from the list of nominated or sponsored candidates that were eligible to contest the presidential poll. However, the appeals court, in its lead judgment that was delivered on Friday by Justice Adamu Jauro, accused the PDP of attempting to interfere in the internal affairs of the APC, which nominated both Tinubu and Shettima for the presidential poll. It upheld the case. Concurrent decisions of the Court of the Appeal and the Federal High Court in Abuja, which earlier dismissed case for being frivolous and over PDP's failure to disclose a reasonable course of action against Tinubu and Shettima, the appeals court agreed with the respondents that the Section 285(14)(c) all in brackets of the 1999 Constitution as amended, as well as Section 149 of the Electoral Act 2023, did not confer the applicants with the right to challenge the Tinubu's candidacy on the ground of Shettima's alleged double nomination by the APC. So the appeals court held that Section 84 of the Electoral Act only empowered an aspirant that participated in the primary election of a political party to challenge the nomination of a candidate by the party. It held that the PDP failed to establish the injury it suffered as a result of the nomination by the APC, adding that the law did not permit a political party to dabble into democratic affair of another political party. More so, the appeals court held that PDP was unable to prove that its civil rights and obligations were in danger of being infringed upon. It held that the lower courts were right when they declined to hear PDP's case on its merits, since they lacked the requisite jurisdiction to do so. The appeals court further descended on the PDP, describing the appeal as the action of a nosy busybody and a meddlesome interloper that is peeing into the affairs of its neighbor. Justice Jaru equally noted that the 180 days that was statutorily prescribed for the determination of such pre-election matter had since elapsed, thus rendering the action as statute buried. Nigerians, una don't hear am so. See, even since yesterday when they don't talk this thing, Nigerians are not happy. Nigerians are saying that the government, they do us, the more you look, the less you see. That everything that is happening right now had been planned even before Bola Ahmed Tinubu went for the election. Then they talk say why they not they happy because true say make them forget about say Bola Ahmed Tinubu is waiting and they talk about him. That normal APC do not supposed to come back to power based on what Nigerians have been going through and what Nigerians are still going through. So for APC trying to maneuver their way into power again is really very, sad to Nigerians who are saying that the election was rigged and now the Nigerian judiciary don't still they play their own games. So Nigerians are saying that the judiciary is trying to complete what the INEC have done before now. So, my people, anybody when they expect miracle for the judgment when they tribunal now, just kukuma, go they take cold water, then lie down. Just tell yourself, say, I won't take anything when come. Because if you go put your high spirit, say, there's going to be something different, you might be disappointed. It be like say the Messiah that will save Nigeria is yet to be born. I'm dropping it here. Kindly share your thoughts below the comment section, please.